So let's get into this today. Today I will be making the viral grinder TikTok sandwich. As you can see, this is the finished touches. All right, so right now I got my butter. I'm going to add a little bit of garlic mince along with some garlic powder, some parsley flakes, some Italian seasoning, and that is for my bread. And then I'm going to get into the subs today. I'm going to add my seasonings to it, my butter seasoning to the bread. And then after that, I'm going to place this in the oven for 5 to 10 minutes. In the oven it goes. And now I'm going to get to my salad. I'm going to first add mayo. And then I'm going to add oregano leaves. And then I'm going to add a little bit of garlic powder. And then I'm going to add some red pepper flakes. Then next, I'm going to add some garlic minced garlic. Put that in there. And then I'm going to add some black pepper. And up next will be my red wine vinegar. Add a couple drops of that as well. Then I add some banana peppers. As you can see, I was kind of struggling here. And now I'm going to add my shredded lettuce. And then I'm going to mix all that together, as well as some red onions. I kind of left that out, but we're going to blend that all together. This is going to be our salad to add to the sandwich a little bit later. But for right now, I took the bread out of the oven. I'm going to add my provolone cheese. Couple of slices here. And as you can see, I love cheese. I have so much cheese in my house. And there it is. And then up next, we're going to add our salami as well as our Black Forest ham. You can use whatever meat you would like. These are my favorites. I'm also going to add some pepperoni. Everybody loves pepperoni. And then after I can put the pepperoni on my sandwich, I'm also going to put it back in the oven for another 2 to 3 minutes and kind of let the meat and the cheese melt a little bit before adding my salad. I'm going to take it out of the oven. It has been 3 to 4 minutes later. And then I'm going to add a little bit of flavored butter to kind of spice things up a little bit. This is my favorite thing. I cook it with everything. And then I'm going to add the salad to the sandwich. Oh my God, I can't wait to taste this sandwich. And there's that. And as you can see, I am pretty much done. I'm adding the butter sauce, garlic sauce to the top of the bread to kind of give it a little bit more flavor. And I added my barbecue kettle chips as well. And then now I'm just going to take the sandwich and cut it in half. This will be lunch for me and my son. And there it is. That's the finished touches. Wow, this sandwich looks beautiful.